yogurt, plain yogurt, okay? And I like to use Greek yogurt. The reason is it's thick and consistency is perfect for the mask. But if you don't have Greek yogurt, you can use strainer. Just strain the excess liquid and use the yogurt. Or you can add some powders so that you can actually double or triple the benefits. So let me add the, here. Oh yeah, let me add the honey. Okay, I'm gonna add the honey to my yogurt face mask. Okay, and I think I'm gonna even put the, this one, spirulina, the powder. Oh, it's a Hawaiian powder. It's supposed to be really good for you to take. So why not put on your skin? You can put a turmeric anti-inflammatory, or if you have a big pores, you want to clear your pores, you can even put activated charcoal powder. Really brighten your face and clean your pores. Okay, so you can mix it, or you can just do the mask with simple plain yogurt. Okay, right. I'm gonna add a little bit of more. Oh, the charcoal. Let's put more charcoal. Oh, it's dark. So this charcoal powder you can take internally too. Brush your teeth if you want to. It's a very safe product. Okay. All right. I think it's ready. Put it on my face. Whoa. Especially the nose area. Whoa. And forehead. Right here, when you see black head, white head. Do it. And I wait for 20 minutes or so and rinse it off, doing 100 times face washing, which I'm going to show you now. Okay? Yep, this is it. So when this dries out, it pulls, the charcoal pulls impurities and oil and makeup and whatever from your pores, and you're going to feel the difference. You're going to love the skin you feel.